Schubor nagaschlem jong unongsan hima.
No, 2023 is far away when one cannot say what's going to happen. But as I said, whatever the other political parties do, let them do. That's their prerogative. But we as a party, we will not take anything easy. We'll continue working hard, continue to organize the party, and continue to inform and engage with people about the work and the development work and the social work that we have done at the grassroots level. So other parties will continue, but we as a party will not take things anything easy.
Bleak future.
I don't want to predict anything. It's not for me to predict, but the actions are showing that there have been situations where state by state Congress is losing and becoming insignificant in most parts of the country. So, but that's for the Congress to decide on how they'll move forward. But yes, in a way you're right that I've been mentioning this again and again, and you will also see that in elections in Manipur also that they will not be able to do as well as they had done in the past. One cannot say right now. We are with the coalition partners, and we are very happy. We are very committed to the coalition partners. We have been through a lot of difficulties and challenges. So those are areas that are not been discussed at our level right now. But we are, as I said, we are very committed to the coalition. I don't want to see it as a threat or a boost. The way I see it is that every situation is different. So one cannot take things for granted, and one has to ensure that we monitor the situation as minutely as possible. Very much intact. In political parties or in coalitions, there will always be concerns and there will always be issues that will come out. Everybody has their own personal agendas also. So we try to address those agendas. But as of now, there's nothing.